Yeah, good morning. This is TH number two, TH number two. Again, put the tongue right out of the mouth, right out of the mouth. TH number two, TH number two. The only difference is don't push the air sound. Don't push the air sound. Just let it come naturally and in a relaxed way. The, 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 right? The. TH number two. Relax, soft air sound. That's the only difference. You must concentrate very much. This is one of those 3 or 4 most difficult sounds in English. A good number of languages don't have TH number 1 and 2. They don't have it, you know? TH number 2. So some examples: mother, brother, other, rather, rather. See, I'm just gently letting the air sound come out. I'm almost not pushing it, okay? Either, either, neither, neither, okay? Soft air sound, that's the only difference. Don't make it complicated, and this video can just make it clearer. Just look at this video only, okay? That's it, that's it.